Morning guys, hey, hi, beautiful, crisp, sunny Arizona morning. Yes indeed, Bitcoin, oh my god, Bitcoin. $15,190 as I speak. I just shared the chart again, premium, guys. Gotta say, remember one thing when your belief is being defied. Remember one thing, there's two thoughts I have about this. Number one, think of the scale of fiat creation when you are in a state of disbelief about the value of BTC as a store of value. Note I use the phrase store of value. I feel already that it should be clear now that Bitcoin will not be the transaction coin. The costs of moving BTC as it continues to make new highs is pushing it more and more to the store of value. In other words, the coins such as Litecoin or others that are super fast, lower value, have much lower costs, are clearly going to be the proliferated coins. So if we're in the Roman times, these Bitcoin is the gold coins that get hoarded, and the coppers will be the likes of the smaller coins that are not mooning, that are faster and have lower transaction coins in your everyday electronic currency world. Remember the creation. We've got an amazing little chart. One of the guys shared it with us and it goes, oh, Bitcoin can't carry on, look at this graph. And then it said, sorry, that's not the Bitcoin graph, that's fiat creation just since 2008, and it's one of these that does hockey stick to the moon. If this is to become the new or alternative parallel money system, this is just truly the beginning. That doesn't mean it ain't going to get bumpy, and that anything that melts up and does too much too soon will test people's belief systems and will have a smackdown sell-off at some point. But if you ever want an example of a buy the damn dip coin, it's the new store of value that's got to take the market cap of around 450 odd billion to the equivalent of the amount of fiat created to be a viable alternative. So it is buy the damn dip with Bitcoin. Now would not be the time necessarily to charge, but it will go up and defy people's belief. The bubble callers will come out and they will ignore the bond market, the 64 trillion of worthless garbage that is going to be defaulted on. They will ignore the global stock market cap. They will ignore the derivative quadrillions, and they will call out a 450 billion market as the bubble, which is to become the alternative to your key financial situation. It's all about too much too soon, and what's actually happening is we're readjusting real fast, real quick to the fact that the end of days is coming for the actual financial system, and the new guy needs to man up real fast, and he's been put up on growth hormone and steroids and is having to bulk up real quick. What's happening? The fiat is starting to run, and you only need a small percentage of fiat to get out of that fiat to come into what I call the electronic fiat, because don't forget, crypto is still a faith-based system. But this is faith on the network, the decentralized blockchain network, and an established coin. And Bitcoin is being the big runner here. Anyway, well done if you've been overweight Bitcoin. Well done to you if you've followed us for the second half of this year and your weighting has been high. I'm 75% and I'm having FOMO about the couple of little speculative alts that I have that I didn't want to get out of. Because when we get those rest moments, a few of those perfectly set up alts will still have their little pumps and moments in between the big king making his moves as he pauses for breath. That's my take. Anyway, off to build our systems for an awesome premium experience that we are going to be putting new systems down for all our guys in the Trading Metamorphosis program. We're scaling up, we're getting a lot of things done here. We're spending 3 days on an accelerator program in Arizona to get that done. Love you, be good, don't get shaken out just because it's too good to be true. It will get choppy, but buy the damn dip, keep your powder dry. This is going to be the biggest buy the damn dip experiment you've ever going to have, and it's going to be highly rewarding. People, it will defy most people's belief. Then go look at a Federal Reserve money creation chart and think, that Jupiter has to squeeze into that basketball in the corner of the room at some point. Something's going to have to inflate and something else is going to have to deflate away. Love you and leave you. Have a good day.